So check out this stylish non-stick frying pots and pan set. It comes in a really nice package, and I love these felt pan protectors. You could use these with your pots and pans to keep them from getting scratched and also put those hot pots and pans on it. There's this little bag that has a silicone spatula and strainer spoon that look really nice and match the set perfectly. The lids are quality made with a glass top and vents on the top, as well as a strainer on the side for the big 5-quart pot. And I do love this beautiful gold handle. It's just a really nice detail in the set. The pots are quality made. They look super stylish with the blue color and gold handles, just matching everything and just looking really classy. The big 5-quart pot comes with that strainer lid, and you also get a 1.5 quarts and 3 quarts with a saucepan lid. And then we have 2 pans, one smaller and one large, and also just very quality made, non-stick, but also non-toxic. So this is gonna be a perfect addition to your kitchen. And if you are looking for a stylish set, this one is just fantastic. It's well thought out, well designed, and will look and work great in your home. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.